Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll see one important feature in SolidWorks that will help you link all the associated documents of a part or assembly in one place. To start with, first you have to go to Settings. Then you can click Feature Manager and you'll have Design Binder. You can just show and you can click OK. So this, if you can see, this Design Binder folder is added here. Now by default, the first one could be a Word document. In case you want to edit it, you can directly double click. So this will open up a Word document. So here file name and description is already given. You can say this part is from gearbox assembly. So anything that you want, if you want to paste a snip or anything, this is basically a Word document. So you can save it and you can close it. Now because this gets added as a design journal document. So you can also add other different parts to it. So first to add a new part, you can right click this, click add attachment. You can browse. So first I will upload an image. So this is in JPG format. So I can click OK. So here there are two options. One is to link this document. So what it does is it basically stores the file location to your SolidWorks part document or assembly document. So whenever you open it, it basically goes and searches the document in the specific location. It's like directly opening this part. Whereas if you don't click, if you don't check this, what would happen is it will create a copy, and that copy would be directly attached to the SolidWorks part. So I'm doing it. Maybe I'll also attach one more Excel. So I'll click browse. So this is an Excel file. Upload it. I'll click link and I'll say OK. So now this property Excel is attached. So let me go ahead and open it. So I've opened this Excel document. So now if I go to file, okay, now you can see the file location is sample, SolidWorks sample. So that is where this file is located. So what this is basically doing is it is going to that particular location and opening this Excel. Instead, what I can do is I can delete this. I can say add attachment, browse, attach the same Excel, open it. This time I'm not going to check this link. I'll directly click OK. So this is getting attached as separate file. How do you ensure that? I'm opening it. If you go to files, you can see it is not related to any location. So this is basically attached to the part as a assembly document that you save. So let me save it. I'll close this and I'll reopen this part document. So now you can see all the part which are associated is linked. So whatever file we have, it is linked here. So anything related to your work or something that has to be closely monitored, or some data that you want to put across, you can always use this and save it in the document. Anything that you want, or like maybe the revisions that you are doing based on what criteria, or some MOM points that you can discuss and you can do it. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on SolidWorks. In case if you want any specific or advanced settings or anything that you want to know in SolidWorks, and if you want me to create a video, please do comment that in the comment box. We'll see you in the next video.